This is one of the best wet brine recipe for turkey I have ever tasted, and I think you'll like it. Start by having 12 quarts of water, which is about 12 liters, room temperature water. Add in a few cloves of garlic, crushed and cut. Add in a cup of salt, which is about 250 grams, a cup of brown sugar, which is about 220 grams, a whole cup of Worcestershire sauce, which is about 300 milliliters, a handful of black peppercorn. Mix everything up, and now we are ready to dip our turkey. Before dipping the turkey, make sure that it's defrosted, thawed, and at refrigeration temperature. Add the turkey in when it's at refrigeration temperature. If your turkey is not submerged in the brine, you can always add some plates to act like a weight to make sure that it's down and into the brine all the way through. Cover, and into the fridge it goes overnight. Get your turkey out at least 2 hours before cooking, so it can come out to room temperature and ease the cooking process. Have your cooking tray ready. Spray it with some non-stick spray. Then get your turkey out of the brine and into the tray. For the second flavorings, we're gonna need some butter, 1 stick of butter, a bunch of fresh thyme, 1 yellow onion, and about half a head of garlic. What we will do, we will rub the butter all over the turkey, underneath the skin, and on top. Then we're gonna chop the onion into quarters and fill the cavity with it. Same with the garlic. And add the thyme into the cavity. Tuck in the wings and tie up the legs and get ready to put it in the oven. For the cooking time, I really cannot tell. The reason being I had problems with the oven that I did not realize until too late. The best advice I can give you is to check the weight of your turkey and oven temperature and cook accordingly. And here's the problem. The flame on the top was too hot and the flame on the bottom did not work. It wasn't even on. So what I had to do is flip the turkey and cook it on the top flame. It was too late to turn on the bottom flame. That way I can cook the top double and burn the turkey more and get a drier breast. And I know I can leave the turkey as it is and turn off the top flame and turn on the bottom flame, but I just decided at the time to just flip it. Once it's done, you can cover it and let it rest using some wax paper and tin foil for at least an hour. And now you're ready to enjoy the best turkey ever. Even with the dry, overcooked breast meat that I got, is still great. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching till the end. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel and sharing the videos with your friends that don't have a working oven. I will see you in the next video.